Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can hide apps in Realme phone. So to start, you will need to launch settings, onwards enter the privacy category, in here tap at the hide app section, then, we will need to set the privacy password first I guess, but that should pop up right after we will turn it on. As you can see, it did. So let's just, in here you gotta set up some privacy password that you prefer. I'll go with the pattern type. Then you can you can set up the recovery information. The method that you can use is either security question or recovery email. I'll go with the security question myself. You can even set a custom one if you want to, if none of the default questions appeal to you. Then we will need to enter or set up basically our access code. And now, as you can see, I have a single hidden app, that is PUBG Mobile gift box, so I should not be able to find it neither at the home screen nor at the app drawer. As you can see, I cannot, but if I will enter the dial pad combination that I set, I should access the hidden apps no problem, or the list of hidden apps rather. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.